morning, everybody. It is Nikki, and I am doing a personal shout out to Carolina from Tampa. So right here we have the Tibbs Weekender bag for women, but I'm gonna say, you know what? It's good for anybody, not just women. So let's check it out. It's nicely packed. I'm excited. We are gonna be traveling, and I wanted to have a new bag that's gonna sit nicely on a carry-on roller. Ooh, very nice. Extra bag in here. Ooh, that's nice. So now I heard somebody saying it comes folded up. I'm not sure how it would come if it wasn't folded up, but it needs to come a little bit folded up. I am not unhappy with the way it was packed. I think it was packed actually very nicely. Even the handles are packed and wrapped, which is nice. I think it's, you know, it's the pleather, and it's a canvas tote. So I went with the black 21-inch model. I am loving this already. It's a canvas tote, and on the bottom it has a compartment. Let's open that up because I want to see how big that is for shoes and things of that nature. Oh, I didn't know this. So this actually compartment is waterproof. That's really nice. Now I still wrap my shoes in an extra bag and put it in because I don't want to get it all dirty and stuff. But definitely if you're putting your shoes sideways, let me grab a shoe. Just want to show you, that's like really nice. Now obviously you can put 3 pairs in here. Let's zip that up and check it out. Oh yeah. How nice is that? And then another thing I really like is these little clips here are great so that you can open the bag up a little bit more if you don't want it as slouchy. Open that. You have 2 zippers. I always like the 2 zippers in case you want to close them in the middle. Let's check out the inside. Oh, very nice. You've got a little pocket here. You can put your passports, an extra thing, maybe you keep your brushes, things like that there. Now, the other part that I really liked about this bag is that it is flat on the bottom. Some bags, when you get them, you know, they're just kind of like this and come up, but this is flat, so it makes it easy to pack clothes. When you put your clothes in your packing cubes, they are gonna fit perfectly in there, which I love. And then on the outside, you have another little, oh, look at this, another little compartment for your laptop. You can put your mouse and things there, loving that. Most important thing is that when you're traveling, there's always that issue of it falling off your luggage if you don't have the little thing on the back here. So we're gonna try it out. Okay, so I've got my roller, which I'm gonna also be reviewing, but for now, let's check this out, because this is always an issue. See, that's nice and tight. It could be honestly a little bit tighter because you still get a little bit of flow, but I've had other ones that are way looser, makes it so the bag kind of falls off to the side. But I think the fact that it's also flat on the bottom, you have that little bit of structure that's making it easier to sit on the bag. So I think that this is really nice. And I know I said a place to put your passport, but look at this. This is a perfect place to take it out, to access things. I love that there's a bunch of different compartments. So I do think this is a winner for me. I still have one more to try, but for now, I'm loving it.